Business is the economic pulse of a nation. It's the source of goods and services, the platform for innovation and opportunity. Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington. From small startups to global corporations, join me as we go inside the dynamic business world and explore some of today's successful enterprises. You don't have to be in the office to be at work. Advanced mobile solutions keep the workforce connected anytime and anywhere. Let's take a look.
Sporting events and festivals draw in tens of thousands of people, many of whom rely on cell phones. Naturally, this puts heavy demands on wireless providers. That's why you'll also see COWS at many events. No, not those kind of cows. These cows, or cells on wheels, help providers keep up with the demand and extra capacity required during an event.
You have massive people now in these concerts and halls and so forth. There's 300,000 people that have a huge demand for capacity in their networks now. So the demand of building mobile technologies that can handle this and be mobile is become basically SunWest's challenge.
A custom-designed COW, or COLT, a cell-on-light truck, is what carriers use to quickly restore service in the event of a natural disaster. In these situations, coverage areas that span several counties could be crippled or even go offline.
COWS and COLTS are used in emergency situations to basically restore a communications network at the disaster site. Once the disaster site is contained, they can provide communications to the police, the fire department, FEMA, etc., and they'll stay there until the network has been restored.
SunWest Engineering provides mobile equipment for anything from big events to disaster recovery. Based in Phoenix, Arizona, SunWest helps carriers design and build mobile fleets to temporarily expand their networks in areas where infrastructure is either damaged or insufficient. SunWest designs and manufactures the COW, the COLT, and the GOAT, a generator on a truck.
We've established a solid reputation in our industry with our innovative approach to designing quality solutions for the communications industry. With our unparalleled portfolio in the areas of UL-listed cabinets, COWS and COLTS, we're by far the best in the industry.
SunWest's COWS and COLTS are popularly used in special event coverage. The COLT is not only designed for special events, but temporary construction, network restoration, and first responder situations as well. Both are mounted with massive masts, which raise antennas as high as 120 feet in the air.
The challenges we have today is with the large data that the clients are demanding in the big events. Here at SunWest Engineering, we're designing fixed antenna areas so we eliminate crane costs. And the advantages of that also gives the client fast deployments.
In addition to creating a roaming mobile footprint, SunWest trucks feature environmentally controlled cabinets with heating and cooling systems, as well as alarms and power generators that can be monitored remotely.
The process here working with carriers is we get all their input for the design of the truck, and then we build the truck, design the truck to be as robust as possible and as light as possible for the demand of all the equipment needed.
SunWest engineers were able to design a system that automatically transferred fuel to trucks from on-site storage tanks. The result was a vehicle that was light enough to meet the weight requirements of equipment and smart enough to fuel itself.
On a big event or a national disaster, this gives the client the ability to cut costs.
Since 1984, SunWest has supplied mobile fleets for major communications providers like Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, Sprint, and Nextel. SunWest's services include equipment installation and integration, project development and consulting, site services, and rental and leasing options for mobility solutions.
SunWest has extensive experience in designing cabinets for the landline telecommunications industry, special needs cabinets, and cabinets for the high voltage utility industry. We're constantly designing and developing new solutions to meet our customers' needs while exceeding their expectations. We design it, we manufacture it, and we support it.